We're doing something a little bit different today. It's not like a visit in a village, but it's something we've been wanting to do for a little while.
Absolutely, I'm super excited. Yeah, so I got a Ninja Woodfire smoker. Had it a year or so now.
Yeah.
But we haven't dehydrated anything.
No.
And this weekend seemed like a perfect weekend to do it. So that's what we're doing.
So we wanted to dehydrate maybe some mango or some fruit. That's what I was leaning towards.
Yeah.
And then we realised we could make beef jerky.
Absolutely. And obviously it's so expensive at the moment and don't get much of it. So I thought, what better way to have beef jerky this weekend or made ourselves?
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Because we've never done it before. I feel like in America you can get beef jerky everywhere.
Definitely.
And then here you can get it, but it's like minimum, and like I'm talking minimum, £2 for like 25 grams.
Tiny amount.
And that's if you can find it at that price, because it's sometimes a lot more.
Yeah.
So we bought a big beef joint.
We did, yes.
We sliced it up yesterday.
Marinade overnight.
Yeah.
We've got 2 different marinades. We've got a honey and brown sugar.
And a soy sauce based one.
Yep, and then that's going to be a sticky one, hopefully. And then we got a soy sauce, Worcester sauce, brown sugar, and I got a seasoning what we put in there as well.
We're hoping this goes well, so then it's something we can repeat, and then we will never have to buy beef jerky ever again.
Absolutely. It's a healthy snack as well, so
Yeah.
I'm well happy with it. If this goes well, then we'll never buy beef jerky again. Just buy joint of beef every weekend. Beef jerky for days.
Yeah.
Because it lasts 2 weeks as well. What's amazing, once it's done, you can store it in one of them, sandwich sort of bags and have it for 2 weeks afterwards, which is fantastic.
Provided it goes well.
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, I can't imagine it won't. I hope. I jinxed it now. But yeah, it seems fairly easy to do.
That's the problem.
Yeah, so I'm excited. All I can think of when we talk about beef jerky, and we just touched on it earlier, that, when I was in Buc-ee's in Texas, there was a whole wall of beef jerky, all different flavours.
Yeah.
And if I can we bought 2-3 bags.
2, I think.
And that was fantastic. The best beef jerky I've ever had. So if we can even come close to that, I'll be happy.
Yeah. I'm going for edible.
Okay.
And you go for good.
Okay.
Okay, let's get it going, because it takes a while.
It does, yes. Okay, so this is what we done last night. So this is
what we prepared earlier.
This is a honey one.
Yeah.
It smells amazing. My God, that smells amazing. This is the soy sauce seasoning one. So I think we only can do one at a time.
It smells good.
It smells amazing. So which one do you want to do first?
You pick. I don't care.
I don't think it makes a massive difference.
Maybe this one?
Okay. But it's, like Emma said, it's going to take 6
Minimum
hours.
of 4, probably 6.
Each one.
Yeah.
So we've got a 12-hour day making beef jerky.
Oh.
What's fine. Right, yeah, we're going to do that one first.
We googled the recipes online, and we also googled how to do it, and it said the trick was to slice it really thin. So we sliced it as thin as we could, which was tricky actually, to slice it that thin.
It was, but I was thinking that last night. We probably could have asked Butcher to do that for us. He would have made that really thin for us.
Yeah.
Like Emma said, we've done it as thin as we possibly can. Some bits are thinner, some's not. Some's quite chunky. So
We'll see how it goes.
it smells absolutely amazing.
I wasn't sure about that marinade, because
I think that
it
smells
always
better.
looks a bit gross when you... to me it does. But it smells really good.
Okay, so we can go for 75 for 6 hours.
And check it at 4.
Yeah. Louis looking at.
We're going to have to watch the songs. Okay, so we've decided to do this first batch dehydrated.
Yes.
And
Because I
then
haven't used this setting before, so we want to use this setting for that one. And I think the next batch, we'll do it in a smoker.
Yes.
And get a bit more smoke into it. And
See how. Then we can decide between the two.
Absolutely.
Which one we like better.
Yeah, I think it's going to be difficult because I quite like his smoky taste.
Yeah.
So I think the next one might be nicest, but then the glaze on this one's going. I don't know. It's going to be interesting.
Yeah.
It's gonna be
I
good.
imagine it's going to be much the same except for the smoky flavour, but we'll see how that goes. But yeah, we've still got 5 hours. So.
Absolutely. So it's so it's the same temperature for both settings.
Yeah.
I think it's just basically low and slow.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's about it for a couple of hours. So yeah, we dehydrate this one, and then use a smoker for the next lot.
Yeah. Louis keenly hanging around it.
But we're going to use my cherry maple oak pallets for next time.
Yeah.
Because I like them. We've used them a lot for other stuff. So yeah, we use them for them. So it's been 2 hours nearly. I'm just going to have a look at the jerky. I know I said I wasn't going to look at it into 4 hours, but I can't resist. So just going to have a look at. So let's go and have a look at it after 2 hours. Oh wow, that looks amazing. Well happy with that, that looks amazing.
It looks really good.
It does. It smells amazing too.
Why are you touching it?
This doesn't get hot when you dehydrate, it's not that hot, is it?
Look at all the juices. It's how long have we got left? About an hour and a half until 4 hours.
Yeah. So I reckon, I don't know. Depends how crispy you want it.
Yeah. Maybe it's done now.
Okay, yeah, 2 hours and 12 minutes left. Ooh. What do you reckon? Is it done? Do we need longer?
I don't know. It looks done. Is it done?
That's amazing.
Is it done?
I think so.
Cool.
Here's the first lot. Let that cool down before I do it up. Nice. Okay, and that's the other lot. We're going to smoke these rather than dehydrate them like them ones were. Yeah, can put them in now. Honest to God though, this absolutely smells amazing. That smells amazing. Yeah, I'm looking forward to these ones. I mean, they're good. I mean, that's been a great snack. I can't wait. It's going to be lovely. Right, yeah, smoke these. Another 6 hours on roughly the same temperature, so about 65. But like I said, we're going to smoke these ones while we dehydrate them. So I'm using these wood pallets, so cherry and maple and oak wood pallets to smoke. We used these before with other these, but yeah, that's what we're going to use these to smoke these ones for. Look how amazing that looks already though. Nice. Okay, so these are a bit of experiment. This one online it says different places you read. So some saying you dehydrate it, some saying you smoke them. So what we decided to do with this batch is smoke it for an hour, and then later on we'll dehydrate them. So smoke it for an hour, then come back, dehydrate it for a further 5 hours. I don't know if that'll work. This is a bit of an experiment this time. The first batch was amazing. That came out really, really well. But we're a bit unsure if we smoke it or dehydrate it was best. So yeah, that's what we decided to do with this one. Fingers crossed it'll work as well. I hope it will, so we'll find out. That's our first attempt at beef jerky. The other batch are in now. I think that looks alright. I think that looks really, really good. Okay.
I don't think it's ready yet. It still looks moist.
It's dark though.
Would that be the soy sauce though?
Maybe, yeah.
I think we leave it a bit longer.
Okay.
I'll try a little bit. There's a little bit there. Oh my god, it's cold outside.
It is cold. It's good though.
But it still needs longer.
It's a bit chilly at the moment, yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Bye.
good. That's very good.
Better than the last one. Oh. Okay, so it's a bit later and we are trying the second batch that's just come out.
Many hours later, yeah. So, truth be told, I was called out and then we just took it off and went to bed. It looks a lot better, I think. Try that.
Okay, like sticky.
It is sticky.
I don't know if it's supposed to be sticky, but it looks more like jerky than the last one.
It does.
So leaving it on longer
and
definitely helps.
I think the crisp is better.
I don't know how to show you.
Yeah. That's really good.
This one is definitely better.
That's 1,000,000% better. That's so good.
Okay, so if you're wondering, I don't know, like, obviously this isn't a science and we're not chefs, but we put it on to smoke for an hour.
Yeah, had us under.
With the wood pellets.
Yeah.
I think, from what I can gather, some wood fire grills you can use the Ignite while you're dehydrating and some you can't.
Yeah, it's a bit confusing.
So I don't know if it's by model.
Yeah.
But ours we couldn't. So we put it on so we could use the wood fire bit for an hour.
Yeah. And then dehydrated it.
For 6.
Well, 5.5 I think it was in the end.
Okay.
I think I was called out just about 5 hours, got back, and then, I think I had about half an hour left on it when I got back.
I wonder if it would have been good at 5 hours.
Do you reckon? Half an hour, a bit longer. But too long. Okay.
But regardless, it's very, very good.
That's so much nicer than the first one now. I think that's absolutely gorgeous. Yeah.
So, one moment, please.
It's messy.
So if you know any good marinade recipes or any cool jerky flavours we can try,
absolutely,
let us know. We tried a honey one and this is the soy sauce.
This is the best one.
This one is the best one.
And that seasoning what we use for
because
this
it
one.
is a bit sweet still.
It is.
It's really nice.
Yeah, the seasoning what we used for this one, I think was what we can taste, a bit of spice.
Also, look how messy my fingers are.
Yeah, no, it's proper. Yeah, what a great snack.
Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification, and we'll see you in the next one.
Absolutely. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.